teasing. Your like 200 viewers that you got.
I don't even have 200
2,000. No,
viewers.
I'm teasing you.
Uh, huh. Okay. So, you want to... Whoa! Oh my goodness.
What's
Um,
up?
I'm going to share my desktop real quick. Nice. So, and then... Nice. Okay, cool. So I have my whole thing there. Um, this right here is the repository. Oh, no, that's Netbox AWS. Oops. AWS Ghosts. And so what I'm going to do here is we're actually, here in dev, I'm going to do a pull request. Open pull request to contribute my changes, able to merge. Pull request. Merge pull request. Confirm merge. Haha. So yeah, that I need to close. I'll even quit that. We will close that as well. So I'll get here into the Discord. I'm going to go in the Terraform channel.
Okay.
So that right there is the repository. Now I will have you go ahead and share your screen. I think I have to stop sharing to enable that. Stop share. There we go.
All right. And what is you want to just
Yeah,
see?
do a whole desktop. Do you have multiple monitors?
I do. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and then just do a whole monitor, and then put anything in that's confidential on the other monitor, and you know,
Yep. All right.
we'll try not to reveal any secrets on stream.
We'll try not to.
Right, right. So you asked me to have a top level summary of what's going on here.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure thing. So what we're doing is we are instantiating a infrastructure as code project um, to build an instance on AWS Lightsail.
Mm-hmm.
And Lightsail is kind of like a fancy pants version of EC2.
Okay.
And Lightsail tries to make it a little like easier for you to put together like infrastructure as code type projects. This particular Lightsail instance is a Bitnami stack for the Ghost content management system. So the instructions that we're going to do here are going to instantiate a Lightsail instance to make it where Ghost is automatically running on it, and then we're going to have a CloudFront CDN, content distribution network, where it's going to front your deployment, right? So the goal is to obfuscate the actual origin of your website, and to utilize caching at Amazon's edge to enable you to serve more requests. Like, let's just say you were to write this fucking stellar blog, right? and it's really super popular. When you're using a CDN, you're able to uh, take advantage of that upstream catch to service a lot more requests. So the amount of requests that are hitting the back end of your web server are substantially less because if one person views the blog, CloudFront catches all that content on their end, so it doesn't have to make another request to your blog to grab that content, even if it serves it to 1,000 users, right? And I kind of like oversimplified that, but that's the basic idea, right? And the other thing it's going to do is create a Route 53 zone that enables an alias record to be set at the root of the domain for your CloudFront distribution, right? So the things that we are going to need to progress further is we're going to need to have an IDE like Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
We're going to need to have a GitHub account if you don't already have one.
Got that.
And we're going to need a Terraform Cloud account if you don't already have that. And all this stuff is free.
Yeah, I have the AWS free tier.
Okay. But do you have Terraform Cloud?
Oh, that I do not have. No. So I will have to go ahead and sign up for that.
Yeah, go ahead and sign up for that. Open up a window in your other monitor, so people don't see you putting in, sensitive information or whatever. And go to terraform.io.
Okay. Let's see. Terraform Cloud. Create an account. Let me go ahead and do
I
this.
suggest that you use the same handle on GitHub, GitLab, Terraform Cloud, everywhere that you can. Whatever the handle is that you've selected, try to squat on that handle everywhere.
Oh yeah, for sure I am.
You're just saving yourself time and hassle and energy later on down the road trying to remember what handle you use for what, and you're also establishing a name for yourself that is across all the different platforms.
Yeah, it's pretty much megalomania everywhere I can get it.
Heck yeah, man. That's great. That's
Man.
perfect.
Somebody.
Also, do you have a domain to point at this?
Let me see. Yeah, hold on one second. Let me just...
I don't want to get too far ahead of myself here.
So here we go.
So that's your like WordPress
Yes.
.com, but do you have your own domain?
I don't right now, no.
If you don't, I could shoot you the cash like via PayPal or something like that for you to pay for you to register your own domain. I would use Google domains to pull that off.
Okay. Let's see.
And I know that the money's tight for you right now, so I don't feel bad about sending you some cash. If you just want to shoot me in the Discord, whatever address your PayPal's at.
Well, dude, I don't really want to,
Well, it's
like
only
that's...
it's only $30, man. It tickles me fucking pink to be able to help out. So let me help out.
Well, all right. Well, let me just see. I might have already had an account set up with Terraform. But like, I'm just checking for it right quick here. Nope. Let me see.
And while you're figuring that out, I'm going to block my display capture for a second and do some needful.
Okay, so we're not streaming right now?
I just blacked out the stream for a second while you figure that
Okay,
out.
good, because I have to get rid of some of these windows. I don't really want these exposed, and they were kind of in a place where I couldn't. Alright, now it's all just that content. That's good. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, so I did actually have a Terraform thing. I kind of did a
Right.
whoopsie. I was like working and I had my AWS workspace up and I was like in inside Chrome in there and it was like cannot access this website and I was like, what? Oops. My bad.
No
But
big deal.
all right, so I got the Terraform thing and you want me to get a Google domain?
Yeah,
Where did you want me?
hit domains.google.com
Okay.
and then see if megalomania.com is available.
That'd be dope if it was. Oh shit. I can get it for $12 a year.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh my god. That's exciting. All right,
Yeah,
cool.
and if you
Cool.
shoot me your email in Discord on a PM, I can.
All right, we'll do that at some point because I got to go into my PayPal account. I haven't used that crap in a while. I don't want to
Okay.
spend the time that we're doing this because I have to log out of work at 5:30 and at some point my kids are going to want to eat. So I'm going to
Right,
just,
right.
I'll get to that later. And $12 a year isn't going to break me.
Okay.
So let's see. Auto renew, privacy policy, business standard, that should be fine, right?
Yeah. I think they charge extra if you want to like obfuscate the like I have if you run a who is on my domain, it's my street address. I mean, I don't think I'm pissing anybody off enough where they're gonna march up to my house and like kick down the door or something.
Yeah, I kind of don't want that, but
I
like I'll
totally
figure that out
understand.
if.
It's up to you. You know, I don't know if they charge like another $3 a year or whatever, but
Yeah, I'll definitely pay for that because don't really want people knowing where I live. Let's see. Wow, I can't believe I got megalomania.com. That's so sick, dude.
heck
I'm
yeah,
so
man.
excited about that.
Yeah, it's awesome.
All right, it's registering it.
Nice.
Because I've literally used Megalomania for like every gaming thing. I have it on Twitch. I have it on YouTube. So
Dope.
yeah, not that I'm like trying to build a brand, but still, it's pretty cool.
I actually blogged on LinkedIn earlier today about how I'm explicitly trying not to build a brand.
I did see you posted on LinkedIn, and I was kind of into middle work stuff. I kind of skimmed it, but yeah, it's taking a minute here. All right, is there anything else I can do in the meantime while I'm waiting on this?
Um, yeah, one sec here. And leave on that. I'm gonna go back to the stream. Whoa. And then back to Zoom. Okay. So, go ahead and click sign in on GitHub there.
Okay. Alrighty.
Nice. So, you see in the upper right where it has fork?
Yes.
Click on that.
Alrighty.
So you see there how it's Megalomania AWS Ghost?
Mm-hmm.
So now what you did was you forked it from my repository so you could pull changes that I add to my repository, but this is still your own version of this particular
Code.
software and code, and you can do whatever you want with it, right?
Okay.
So
Cool.
um, go ahead and hit like click on Phil Hawking somewhere. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
And then up where it has Phil Hawking AWS Ghost, go ahead and click on that because we're trying to get on to me, like my thing. Then click on Phil Hawking to the left of that.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, right there. There's another one you're going to want to fork here too. The AWS IAM TF template.
Okay.
You're going to want to fork that as well.
Fork this one.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now go ahead and sign into Terraform Cloud.
Okay. Yep, I already am over here. Let me pull that over. You have nothing here, but
Right. So click on New Workspace.
right.
And then Version Control Workflow. Click on that.
Okay.
And then GitHub.
Yeah, sure. I'll give you permission.
Pop-up blocker. Pop-up blocked.
Let's try that again. You gonna do it this time? Yay! All repositories? Yeah.
Mhm.
We'll do that.
Yeah, go for it. And then click
All right.
the IAM TF template.
Mm-hmm.
And add Terraform user for AWS account.
Okay, so am I just typing that in?
Yeah, just
No,
type that in the description there.
Terraform what? Sorry.
Terraform user for my AWS account.
Okay.
Then hit create workspace. Oh shit, we go ahead and hit settings. There was an advanced option that we want to pick. Go to version control. And for the VCS branch, you're going to want to type in dev, D-E-V, and
Okay.
lowercase.
Okay.
And then hit update VCS settings. Oh shit, sorry. Never mind. I actually am completely wrong. We're going to leave that alone because there's only a master branch for this repo. That's for the next one that we're going to set up. So I'm going to have you go to your AWS account in the other tab.
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to want to go to services, and then wait. How the fuck do you do this? Let me log on to mine real quick.
What is the address for that one?
Console.aws.amazon.com.
There it is.
My security
I don't have that one bookmarked yet.
credentials.
Probably should be though.
Okay. So you see what? Did you see what I just did there?
I wasn't watching you. Hold on.
So if you go to the console .aws.amazon.com,
Mm-hmm.
And then you click on your name in the upper right hand corner. It'll have a thing for credentials.
Okay. Hold on 1 second. Let me just blow this up so I can see what you're doing.
Oh, I can. So like there where it's Philip Hawking and then my security credentials. See that?
Okay. Yep.
So we're gonna want to go there.
All right.
And here where it has access keys, you're going to want to create a new access key. And you're
Okay.
going to
I
want.
think somebody got hurt. Oh man, I'm
Oh
sorry.
man, it's all good. Take care of the kiddos.
All right. I just need 1 second.
Heck yeah, man. I will just mute my screen and do the needful while you check that out.
All right, sorry about that, Phil.
No worries. Kids are all
Okay.
alive?
Yeah, all good. All right, logging in to my account. Let's see. All right. 1 second. Alrighty, so let me just pull this over so you can see now. All right, so your account,
Then hit
you went
my
to.
security credentials. And I'm going to block out the screen again real quick. So
Okay,
I'm the
thank you.
only one seeing this. And then access keys.
Okay.
Hit create new.
All right.
And hit download key file.
Alrighty. Get out of here, Dropbox. Okay, and leave me alone. Ah, Microsoft, just shut up. I don't want to deal with you right now. Okay. Um,
Then hit close.
I think I did need to deal with that because shouldn't I be copying this?
Yeah.
I just. Okay, just leave me. Don't do this to me, Microsoft. Come on. The whole.
So
Both of them, or.
you're going to want to copy the access key first. And just the thing after the equal sign.
Okay.
So there's some. That's the secret key. You're going to want to copy the access key first.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, no worries.
Um,
Yeah, copy that.
okay.
And then go back to your Terraform workspace. Don't close it.
Yeah, I'll just leave that. Let me. Okay.
And then hit configure variables. And hit add variable. And then type in access underscore key.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
Lowercase.
Do I want all lowercase?
Yeah.
This okay. So that's the naming convention for Terraform.
That's just what I said the variables to.
Okay, cool.
And then hit save variable. And then go grab the secret key from the Excel spreadsheet. Copy that. You're going to want to hit add variable and then secret underscore key.
Yep. Okay.
And then paste that and then check the sensitive box there. Then hit save variable.
So is that gonna hash it when we write sensitive?
Uh,
Or
you're not going to be able to retrieve it. It's write only. So
okay.
I'm going to go back to turning on the stream because now we aren't going to be having anything. Because the access key, you can't do anything without the secret key, right?
Right. Yep.
So now, one moment, I have to take this.
No worries.
Okay, sorry about that. So
No
go
worries.
ahead and in the upper right hand corner hit Q plan manually.
Okay.
And then just Q
So,
plan.
reason or no?
You
Just
don't
hit
need a
Q
reason,
plan.
it's just you and I.
Okay. Plan queued. Okay.
I'm going
All right. So it's just running your configuration that you set as.
Okay,
Oh.
so variable bucket name is not set and has no default value. So, do you have Visual Studio Code?
I do.
Okay, go ahead and spin up VS Code. And have you installed Git on your workstation?
I don't believe so. I
Okay,
have used this like a handful of times.
right.
So,
Go ahead and
yeah.
open up a new tab in Chrome for, and then just Git Windows download.
Okay. All right. Downloading the 64-bit right now.
Nice. And I can't see the window that you have there.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. And you want the 64 bit?
Yep. Got it. All right. So. I'm gonna leave all these default
Yep,
settings, I'm
just leave all
guessing.
the defaults.
All right.
And don't worry about any of that. Hit install.
All right. Okay.
Then hit finish. It'll pop up the release notes, which you can promptly close.
Close. All right. All right.
And
So now.
then you're going to want to close VS Code and open it again.
Okay.
And I'd close all those things you have open there. And then in the upper left there, where it has like the files menu, go ahead and click on that to the left,
Oh.
and then down. Yeah, that guy down there. And hit open folder. And what I like to do is right here in this Make Germain, just right click and make a new folder and call it Workspace with a capital W.
Okay.
And then select that folder. I trust the authors. Enable all features. Fuck yeah.
Okay. All
And
right.
then in your terminal, click on terminal in the top there. Hit new terminal.
Whoops.
And now go back to your GitHub repo for the AWS Terraform dealie.
Where did I put you? Okay.
And then where it has code there, click on that.
Oh, yep.
And then the little copy button to the right.
Okay.
Or actually, you're probably going to want HTTPS. And click on HTTPS and then click that. And then go to VS Code.
Okay.
And then in your terminal at the bottom, you're going to want to highlight that. And then type git space clone space and then right click.
All right.
And then hit enter. Dope. So you see how in your workspace you have that folder now, AWS IAM TF template. Click the little caret to the left of that to expand it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Say
Where
what?
it has the Explorer, where it has workspace on the left-hand side, your bar there, you can click on that, and it'll.
Oh yeah, yeah,
And then
yeah.
go to
Okay.
variables.tf and double-click on it. And remember, it has bucket
Said
name there,
bucket.
so hit enter.
Okay.
And then hit
After the curly brackets?
no before the so hit left. So you're having that one curly bracket. Hit enter twice. And type in default space equals. You want one, not plural defaults, but defaults.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you
It's all good. And then that you see how the one above it, you have to have a space in between the default and then the.
right. Okay. Yeah. So like
So just leave it
now
like that, but you need a space in between the equal sign and the T on default.
yeah, okay. Gotcha. Sorry.
And then delete. Oh, it's all good. And those quotes are just like that.
Okay.
Just to have the two quotes like that. There you go. And delete line 7.
Okay.
Boom. Then hit
All
final
right.
save.
We're not gonna all right, we're not gonna put a value in there?
Nah, because we aren't even fucking with an S3 bucket right now.
Okay.
And so you see how you saved it and it has that little M to the left of it? That means that file has been modified. So go back to
Okay.
your terminal and you're going to want to type CD and then, A and then tab. Hit enter. And then type git and then space status. So you see there, it says your branch is up to date.
Which is up to date.
But this change has not been staged for commit.
Because we haven't committed it, right?
Well, we haven't added it to be committed, nor have we committed it. So to add it, you're going to want to type git space add space and then the period.
Okay.
That adds everything in the directory. And then hit enter. And now type get status again. You can hit the up arrow twice too if you want.
Yeah. Oops.
And
Okay,
so
okay. So
you
now
have
we see that
changes
it's been
to be
added.
committed. So then type git space commit space dash am dash not slash.
Whoops. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's all
Commit dash am
good. Space and then double quotes. Adding default value to bucket underscore name. Then double quotes, hit enter. Now type get status again.
Okay.
And so now you're going to want to say git push origin master, and now it's going to make you sign into GitHub with VS Code.
Just like that?
Mm-hmm. Just like that. Hit 1.
Okay, so now it's gonna be asking me. All right. Enumerating all with 5. Okay, so
now go back to your Terraform Cloud workspace.
okay. Whoops.
And then click on runs on the top there. The thing that has
Yeah.
a little purple dealy. And so that errored. Click on that to see why it errored a few seconds ago. So, see, Terraform requires any root module output containing sensitive data be explicitly marked as sensitive to confirm your intent. If you do intend to export this data, annotate the output value as sensitive by adding the following argument: sensitive equals true. So this here is a new thing with Terraform 1.0. This is the second time that I've run into this. So we're going to want to go back to VS Code.
Okay.
And the one that has variable secret key. Go ahead and expand that curly brace there by hitting enter. And now type that whole sensitive space equals true.
I need true in quotations.
I'm not sure. Go back to the Terraform thing.
No, it didn't. They didn't have it in quotations then, so I think that's okay.
Yeah, just go ahead and double check with the
Okay.
the dealy deal. Sensitive equals true. Dope. You got it.
All right.
And then hit file save in the and then now type git space add and then the period.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, it's all good. You would not even believe how much more I struggled with this shit than you are right now when Brandon was teaching me this like 2 years ago. Sweet. So now you're going to want to type git space commit space -am.
Oops.
Whoa.
Oops.
So now, I mean, you know how to get out of VI, right?
Control X Z? No.
You're gonna want to hit the colon, and then Q, and then exclamation point. And hit enter.
That's right. It's
Then
been a while.
Hit the up arrow. Space -am. That's for commit all, and then add a message, and then a double quote after that. And marking secret underscore key as sensitive. Oh, like the actual underscore.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Hit enter, and then git push origin master. Dope. Now go ahead and go back to Terraform Cloud.
Okay.
And I'm going to mute the display. Just hit on runs. To the left there where it has runs. Yeah. A few seconds ago it errored, huh? Oh, so now you have to mark the output as sensitive. So I'm going to go back to showing your display again. And you're going to want to go to output.tf and double click on that. And that you're going to want to do that same thing for the secret key. Just add a line below that. And then sensitive equals true. And then file save. Yeah, it's git add and then dot. And then git commit -am. And then marking, the instance manage user secret key as secret or sensitive. git push origin master. Then go back to Terraform Cloud with the runs. And yeah, see, you're getting it. Dope. So that has apply pending, and then you scroll down. And this right here, I'm going to show the display capture here. Hit confirm and apply. And the ultimate alpha developer fucking trick. The one that all the senior, this is all the work that seniors do the entire fucking day. Capital LGTM looks good to me. And then confirm plan. Boom! I'm going to mute this again because we don't want to expose a credential on the stream. So you're going to want to copy that instant manage user access key, the little copy thing to the right of it. You're going to want to open up a notepad to throw that into. And then hit enter a couple times. And you're probably going to want to put the notepad on your other monitor, and then you're going to have to hover over the instance manage user secret key for it to have a tooltip that will show you what that is. But it won't let you copy it because it's fucking terrible. Because it's sensitive and it's secret, but if you hover over it, it'll show. Maybe you have to click on it. Because you saw that it had a little tooltip when you moused over it before. I hate this new fucking UI. If you click on it, does it do it? There. Oh, you just have to, whatever the magic is there. Maybe you just have to hover over it for a long enough time. Try clicking on there, like to the right of it, and then just hover your mouse over it. Leave it for a bit. And what the fuck? This is just such. I really hate this new UI. It's just so terrible that it doesn't let you copy it. Because we need to get this string here. Maybe hit just F5 to refresh. Then click on the apply finished. Try to hover over it again. There you go. Now just hit print screen on your computer. And then paste it into like MS Paint or whatever. Then just Control V, it should. Dope. And then you're going to have to put it on your other monitor and like type it into your notepad. You're probably going to want to save this to your Dropbox too as a file just in case.
Alrighty. Sorry about that. All right. I gotta sign out of AWS here real quick for my job, and then I'll be good to go. You got my message in Discord though, right?
I did, yeah.
Okay. I
I
just
think
wanted to make sure you.
I think you're doing great, man.
No, I know. I just wanted to, make sure that you knew that that I sent that. But okay. So, that's done.
Yeah.
What's next?
Um. Okay. Um. So, go to workspaces.
Okay. Whoops. My bad. All right.
And hit new workspace. Version control workflow.
Okay.
And then GitHub. And then AWS Ghost.
Okay.
Workspace description megalomania.com.
All
And
right.
hit create workspace. And then go to settings.
All right. This is the one where we're gonna do the version
Yeah, the
control.
version control. And then default branch dev.
Okay.
Hit update VCS settings.
Okay.
And also change the name of it to AWS Ghost Dev. Maybe it's under overview.
Let's see. Mm,
Or maybe it's under settings. Sorry.
general,
Yeah.
probably.
And then add
Okay.
a
So you want
dev.
AWS Ghost.
Yeah, dev.
Okay.
And then hit save settings. Sweet.
Alrighty.
And then go to variables. So we have some different variables that we're going to have to put in here. The first one that we're going to want to do.
Oh, you still have your screen blacked out, just FYI.
Yeah, I know. It's because we're going to be putting in your secret key.
Oh.
And after we do that, so hit add variable, and it's AWS. Wait. What? Shit. Pay attention, Philip. Variables. Yeah.
No worries.
Okay, so AWS underscore access ID underscore ID. And all lowercase. All lowercase.
My bad.
Yeah. AWS underscore access underscore ID. And then you're going to want to type the access key, the one that starts with an A. You have in your notepad, Dealey.
Yep, let me just pull that up. Yeah, all right.
Hit save variable, hit add variable, and then AWS underscore secret key. And then for value, paste that in check sensitive.
All right.
And then hit add variable. I'm going to unmute the stream now. Hit, and so for this, domain underscore name. And then megalomania.com.
Okay.
Save. Hit add variable.
Okay.
And then type Bastion, BASTION, underscore CIDR, CIDR. And then for value, type 172.16.39 dot 254 slash 32 forward slash 32. Yeah, got it. And then hit save variable.
Okay.
And for glue record, for the sake of the stream, I'm going to have you add it as a sensitive record or a sensitive variable. Give me just one moment. I'll cook one up for you here.
Alrighty. Thanks for all the help with this, Phil.
Oh, you know it, man. Am I still muted on the stream? Mute the stream. Whoa. DNS. Yes, error records. So for glue record, I'm going to paste this in Discord here. And mark that as confidential.
Okay, will do.
And the variable name for this is glue underscore record. Uncheck sensitive, got it. Save variable, bam.
Cool. All right.
Now we'll turn the stream back on. So
Oh my God, our secrets are safe.
Our secrets are so safe. So here is one where we are going to have to go ahead and go to your Google domain account. You could probably just open up a new tab and hit domains.google.com so you don't have to switch browsers.
Google.com. Okay.
And click on email.
Okay.
And hit add email alias. And the alias is asterisk. And then the existing recipient email is your megalomania@gmail.com. So this will forward all email to this domain to your Gmail.
Okay. All right, and just like that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I gotta verify this because they're like, oh, you need to verify your email. So just give me 2 seconds to do that.
Sure thing.
All right, now it should work. Bam. All right.
Beautiful. So, now you're going to want to go to your AWS console. You might want to open it as a tab in here just because it might be easier that way.
Yeah, okay. Let me just see.
Your domain will stop
I
serving.
have it open somewhere. No, that's not. Yeah, that's not it. Let's see. Ah, it's over here. It logged me out. Hold on 1 sec. This page is taking a really long time to load. I'm sorry.
Oh, no worries.
All right. So I'm assuming I'm gonna start a light sail.
Oh, wait. No, we do not. So you see there how it says Learning Account Ohio? Do you have other stuff spun up with this right now? You're going to want US East, North Virginia, US East -1.
Okay.
And,
I mean, I think I had some EC2 instances. I think I took them down though. But yeah.
okay, cool. So now for AWS services, you're going to want ACM for Amazon Certificate Manager. You can type ACM in the search for services up there at the top.
Okay.
There you go, Certificate Manager. Dope. And then hit Provision Certificates. Get started. Request the public. Hit Request a Certificate to the right. And then megalomania.com.
Sweet.
And
DNS
then,
validation.
email validation. Yeah, that's why we just did the email one in that other step.
Yep. Okay.
Don't worry about that. Hit review.
Okay.
Confirm and request.
Request.
And now you will get a shitload of emails to your megalomania at
Who are they coming
gmail.com. It's coming from Amazon. It'll be to Hostmaster, Postmaster, all sorts of shit. You're going to get like 7 different ones.
Great. Okay. All right. Let's see. Continue. Do I want to be showing all this stuff?
Yeah, this doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, nobody could do anything with your certificate outside of your AWS account, so that's why I'm not worried about screening this. That may not be like a super best practice, but I do it when I'm in my ACM too. Like, they can't do anything with the ARN of the certificate.
Okay.
So see how it's still saying pending validation?
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna have to validate it with those emails that got sent to you.
All right. Let me just refresh my email. Here we go. Okay. It's one done.
Then hit F5 on here. If you did, you shouldn't have to do all of them.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, we're good.
So see down there where it says ARN and it has that long ass string.
Mm-hmm.
And you're gonna want to copy that whole thing. And then right click copy. And then go back to your Terraform Cloud workspace for the variables all the way to the left there. And hit add variable. And you're also going to want to put in AWS_region. And you're going to want to get rid of that value there and just make it US-East-1.
Oops. Okay.
And I'll get rid of everything after the US East 1. We're going to have to make another variable for the ARN for the certificate. But I'm just changing you to US East 1 because you're on the East Coast, so it makes sense.
Okay, so you just want that US East 1. Okay.
Yeah, and then hit save variable.
Okay.
And then hit add variable.
Mm-hmm.
And then AWS_availability_zone.
Do my dyslexics but spell availability right? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
And then
All right.
US dash east dash 1B.
Okay.
Then hit save variable. And then hit add variable. CloudFront underscore SSL underscore ACM Alpha Charlie Michael underscore ARN Alpha Romeo
Nancy.
Nancy, yeah, and then paste that value you have in your clipboard.
All right.
Then hit save. It doesn't need to be sensitive. Hit save variable. Okay. Nice.
Sweet.
So,
sweet.
we actually should be able to instantiate this now. Go ahead and scroll up a little bit. And then to the right where it has Q plan manually, hit Q plan.
All right.
See what happens.
Whoa. So, I mean, when you're working with Terraform, is this like the moment of truth? Terraform takes a while to run, too, when you have big builds, right?
The request signature was calculated.
Does not match status code 403.
We're validating provider credentials. So, that means that our credentials that we had from that whole thing where you were copying and pasting from the other thing, there's a flub, there's a fat finger in there somewhere. So I'm going to turn off my display again and go ahead and pull up that notepad in the...
Okay, well, I copied. Is there a way to go back and see those variables?
Oh, the one that's in MS Paint? I told you to save it just in case. I don't know if you saved it to Dropbox.
Alright.
I have the stream muted too, so you can just pull it up. You can go back to the Terraform Cloud workspace, mouse over it again, hit print screen again if you have to.
Okay, well that's what I was thinking. Like, where would I go in here to get that?
Go to workspaces, and then that right there.
Oops.
And then mouse over the sensitive value.
Oh yeah, like we had to do.
Mm-hmm.
How did I get it to come up last time? This is such a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it is. This is definitely something if HashiCorp is fucking paying attention to us here.
I hit F5 maybe? I don't know.
I think if you leave it, like try leaving it just for maybe like one click. Yeah, this is some terrible UI, man.
Yeah, that's for sure. I don't.
Let me actually Google something real quick here. I'm gonna see Terraform Cloud.
Alright. I am going to go preheat my oven because I gotta make dinner at some point. I'll be right back.
Cool.
right. Any insights? Whoops.
Scroll down
Okay.
or scroll up and then hit states.
Okay.
Then click on the run, like the pound run. Click on that, and click apply finished. And then scroll down to states created, and then click on that, the hyperlink down there. Oh wait.
Okay, it's showing now.
Yeah, but let's try to just copy and paste it.
Okay.
I think it'll show up in the state. And copy that secret key just like that. We should have done that
Yeah.
the first time. I'm sorry.
That's
I'm
okay.
new to this
I
whole.
probably, I'm sure when I typed it in there, like I did something.
So you copy it and then hit variables, and then you should be able to just go in there and just paste over the variable.
Okay. All right.
Oh wait, so that's the IAMTF template. You're gonna want to go to the workspaces, and then the ghosts workspace.
Did we get it from the right place then?
Yeah, we got it from the right place. Yeah, and then
Okay.
hit variables, and then for secret key,
Right, here we go.
the three dots on the right there.
Yep, and edit. Okay.
Then hit save variable.
Okay, I'm just trying to see. Oh, I see what I did wrong.
And then
Okay.
scroll back up and hit Q plan manually in the upper right. Get back to it here.
All right. Fingers crossed. If we finish this is a good kind of like breaking point for me to kind of go do some stuff. Let's see.
Looks like we're doing it, dude.
Yeah, this is cool. This all looks good, right?
Mm-hmm. It might error out because you don't have a key called Terraform, but hit confirm and apply and we'll just see.
Okay. Do I want to put...
Looks good to me. Fuck yeah.
Alright. How come it didn't give the whole whatever changed, 0, like, 0 deleted, 3 changed, whatever, like it usually does?
Oh,
Yeah.
that is what it does, because it hasn't run successfully yet, so it doesn't have anything to change. So that output it has, so the plan on the top there was just adding all the shit that we're doing. And so
Okay,
a lot of
gotcha.
this apply is going to work, and a lot of it's going to error out of the tail end because we don't have. I think I actually can just show the display here. So, the apply is running right now, and it's going to error out because we don't have a Lightsail certificate called Terraform. So if you go to the AWS Certificate Manager tab there in the upper right, we might actually be able to beat it. Click AWS Certificate Manager there.
Okay. I'm being stupid right now.
The
AWS.
tab, right, the third tab on the
Oh,
right.
right. Sorry.
And then type Lightsail and search for services. And click Lightsail. And hit save. Let's get started. And US East 1A.
Do you want B?
Yeah, change AWS region to. Oh, well, I guess just click on US East 1.
Okay.
Call it, and then scroll down a little bit. Linux, Unix, scroll down some more.
Okay.
Hit change SSH key pair. Create new. Create.
Whoops, my bad. It's, I'll use move zoom so I can actually see here.
Call it Terraform, all lowercase. That's Terraform.
Did I? Oh my
You did,
god.
yeah.
Can we do that again?
Yeah, you can hit download key. And
Okay.
hit create. So hit the X to the right of Terraform there.
Yeah.
Hit yes, and then hit create new.
Okay. This is classic dyslexic move.
Oh, I do the same shit, man. All day, every day.
All right. All
Download key.
right.
Dope.
Yep.
And then I would
Sweet.
go and
Okay.
delete terraform.pem from your downloads just because, you know.
Right, 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 right.
And then go back to the run, see how we're doing. Apply
Ah,
error.
okay.
So why did the apply error? Keep error does not exist. So scroll back up to the top and then hit
Mm-hmm.
Q plan manually. Hit Q plan again.
All right. Plan 4 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy.
Then scroll down where it has need confirmation, confirm, apply. Looks good to me, motherfucker.
Man, I don't know. That'd be great to get to that level one day where that's all you have to do.
Right? Brandon's there. He just cares too much
To just do that, yeah, I know.
just do that. So he's
But apparently there's
constantly
a lot
fixing
of
everybody else's shit.
this is cool though. Like I think I'll mess around with some Terraform my own too, and then I'll get more familiar with it now. There's nothing like tooling around with it and messing everything up.
Heck yeah, man. Well,
Trying to figure out how to fix it on your own that makes you really.
that's why we had
You know,
you do your own fork instead of just cloning my repo. So if you want to do a pull request to pull upstream changes, you can, and you can see like if they would introduce any issues. But you also can make your own changes to your heart's content, and it's your code that you own. And my
right, I'm
license
not
is
messing it up.
my
Up
license is
anything.
the MIT license. You can do whatever the fuck you want with it, dude. Like
Nice.
it's all you. In
Cool.
fact, you've already made your own changes to that code, so you own it. You have your own commits. So apply error. Doesn't cover the. Okay, so we're gonna have to go back to your certificate. Go ahead and
Okay.
open up the create an instance Lightsail one at the top there, and you're gonna want to go back to ACM.
Okay.
You
Where am I going?
you might
Sorry.
want to just go in the browser, just type console.aws.amazon.com, might be faster. And then hit sign into the console. And then for services, oh, you got certificate manager right there to the left on the recently visited.
Okay,
Click on that megalomania and hit on manage certificate events maybe. You might have to check it on the left where it has the checkbox.
Okay.
And then scroll up and then hit manage certificate events. Hit cancel. Go to actions. Fuck. There's gotta be. So the domain megalomania.com, can you click that and see if it'll expand it on the bottom there? To just above that, where it has megalomania.com.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Scroll down a bit. I might have fucked this up by not putting the www in there. Horse shit. Let me run a real quick Google search here.
like messed up getting the domain, or just messed up this part of it?
The certificate.
Oh, okay.
Automatically recorded certificate transparency. So you're gonna have to delete that certificate, I think.
Okay. So just go ahead and pull the trigger on that.
Yeah, hit delete.
Okay.
Then hit provision certificates, get started.
Okay.
And then to the right, request certificate.
Alright, so
and then for the top with domain name, so you want megalomania.com. And then on the bottom, once you have that, don't put the www first. You want megalomania.com.
Okay,
and then add another name to the certificate, and then www.megalomania.
Okay, gotcha.
And then hit next. Email validation. And hit review. Confirm and request. And then you'll get the emails. You're going to have one for Megalomania and then one for www. You're going to want to approve both of them.
Right, okay. Let me go ahead and check those out. Alright. Done.
Cool, they're both validated. Nice. So grab that ARN, then go to your Terraform workspace, and then variables. Then change that ARN. You can click the three dots on the right.
All right.
And then in the upper right hand corner, queue a run from UI.
All right, fingers crossed. Two to add, zero to change. Okay. Confirm apply?
Yep. With the infamous. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah.
Okay.
Now we're really crossing our fingers.
Okay. Come on, you can do it. Two applying, that looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, CloudFront distribution. AWS or typical for it to take this long.
Yeah.
Oh, so?
Oh, Terraform runs take fucking forever, especially CloudFront distributions, man. It's stupid.
Yeah, I mean, I can imagine when you guys are doing way more complex stuff than what's going on here, too. It takes forever. But,
Oh, CloudFront distributions by far are the worst, man. They take...
Oh, really?
Yeah, they take the longest amount of time.
Well, I appreciate you putting through all that code together so that this was like a much more...
That was many eons of my life.
Yeah,
like
right?
Years of my life figuring all that shit out.
It's much appreciated. I mean, can you use like overstack for infrastructure as code? I'm sure, right?
Overstack? I'm not familiar.
Oh, not overstack. What's a...
Stack Overflow?
Stack Overflow. See? I'm
Uh,
that dyslexic that I like.
dude, I am so neurodiverse, man. You don't even need to apologize. I'm fucking. You know that I'm a goddamn train wreck. I'm in the Discord, blogging to myself like all fucking day, every day, just externalizing my thought process into the ether, man. You know, eh.
Yeah, Stack Overflow. They have infrastructure as code.
Yeah, there's you know, you could go there and you could ask Terraform questions, whether or not you're actually going to get an answer
Well, I'm just
or.
curious if that's like, if that kind of space is just for programmers who do, code that is like traditional.
Well, that's what's crazy about DevOps, man, is that we're all out here trying to figure this shit out, you know. So like, and it's mostly those.
I mean, but
You don't have a lot of ops people who are becoming devs. You have a
okay.
shitload of devs who are trying to be ops people, and they don't have the background, so they really really struggle with it, right? So there you
Okay,
go.
yeah. So the
One
code is not
created,
what they struggle with. They struggle with the ops stuff.
right?
Okay. Oh, that one created. So, I mean, but DevOps is not like the bleeding edge. I mean, it's been around for a while,
It's
right?
been
Like
around for a while, but
DevOps.
that doesn't mean that anybody has any fucking idea what they're doing, dude. Like, you know, Brandon and Michael, you know, they and Alex, you know, DevOps Pro Dude, like
Yeah.
they are experts in their field and
Dude, success. Sorry, I just
success,
have to
right?
celebrate.
So that CloudFront DNS,
Hmm.
that string,
Yeah.
um, wait, the server IP there. Can you just copy that? Click the copy thing to the right and paste it to me in Discord.
Yeah. Static IP. Okay. I'm gonna ask a question that's really stupid.
Oh, I bet it's not anywhere near as stupid as you think it is.
Okay, the IP address either does not have the dots between the octets, or this is an IPv6. No.
That is a SID. It's a or UID. It's a unique identifier. But if you paste the whole thing, or maybe if you click the caret to the right of copied, it'll
Oh,
expand.
yeah, IP address. Okay, here it is.
So, and we still have the stream muted because we don't want to expose that to the interwebs.
Yes, thank you.
Um, but you're going to want to go to the console.aws.amazon.com, the AWS Certificate Manager one you have open, and
Hmm.
then search for services at the top there and type Route 53. And then click
Route
Route
53.
53. I'm going to turn this back on here and scroll down where you have one hosted zone. Click on that, and I click the megalomania.com, and
Oh, there's my ace
so you
record.
see here how it has the NS. We're going to need to add these name servers to your Google domains. Does that make
Okay.
sense?
So, okay, we can
So
do this. I got, some hungry kids, so
I totally understand. Um,
we could do if this is just gonna take a couple
yeah,
minutes, I
this
can
will
do
take
that, but
just
if it's
one moment. If you open up the Google Domains thing where it says Google Domains email
mm-hmm.
and go to DNS
Okay.
and hit Use Custom Name Servers.
Okay.
And maybe just put these two windows side by side, the two tabs or whatever. So it'll
Yeah.
be easier to go between the two of them.
Do these need the dot at the end?
They do
Probably
not.
not.
It will not validate with Google with the
With
dot
the
at the
dot.
end. Actually,
Yeah, I didn't think so. But okay. Okay. Hit add. Yeah, sorry, the timing. I probably should have thought a little bit more about it, because,
Oh, it's all good. I know it's like really late in your neck of the woods, like 6 o'clock. It's time to feed the kids.
yeah. But I do appreciate you doing this with me. I mean,
Yeah,
how
definitely,
far did
man.
we get? Like,
We're done, dude. Like, I mean, we're
oh,
at least done with the part that we were getting you just as far as cat.
okay,
Hit change name servers anyway, and
okay.
then open up a tab and type megalomania.com.
Oh, want.
So
502. Hmm. Okay, what does a 502 mean?
So
Just
it might mean that that instance is not quite running yet. Um,
okay. So maybe it just needs some time.
yeah, it might need some time to do its
Let's.
thing, and you need time to feed your kids. And I have this whole like house thing I'm gonna go do later on, but hit me up later. We made a lot of progress, man. You know, we're doing really good. So
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. I like a lot. So thank you.
yeah,
Thank you for walking me through all that. I really appreciate it.
heck yeah, man.
Um,
Anytime.
yeah. All right, cool, Phil. Thank you.
Thank
Good luck
you.
with the house.
Oh,
I hope that all works out.
I hope it all works out too.
All right. Take care, man.
Thanks. Take care.